So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a very traditional and fairly easy wheat weaving St. Brigid's cross. So start by taking two straws and cross them over one another. Then you're just going to fold one down so it goes around the other, and then fold the other one right around the back side so that the two straws are folded around each other and connected. So then take another straw, you're going to put that under the two straws on the right hand side, and then you just fold that down so that that straw is around the two on the right hand side. And then you're just going to flip your cross counterclockwise. Hold the straws in place with your fingers so that they don't float away on you. And then take another straw, lift up the wheat weaving, and slide it under the two on the right hand side. And then just fold down the top half of that straw you just put in so that it is folded around the two straws on the right hand side. So all the straws will be folded around each other. And then rotate it counterclockwise again. Take another straw and slip it under the wheat weaving on the right hand side, and fold the straw down around the two on the right hand side so that it's wrapped right around them. Then flip the weaving counterclockwise again. So this time you'll have 4 straws on the right hand side. So take a fresh straw and lay that under those 4 on the right hand side. Sometimes it's easier if you just pick up the wheat weaving like I'm doing and lay the straw down. And then fold the top half of that down so it's wrapped around the 4 on the outside. And then flip the weaving counterclockwise again. Add another straw on the bottom of all those straws on the right hand side. And fold the top half down so it's wrapped around them. And then rotate it counterclockwise again. And you'll just keep going, adding in straws on the right hand side. You can add as many as you want till you like how your cross looks. I went until I'd added 8 straws to each leg. Just adding them on the bottom and folding them down around all the straws on the right hand side. And just keep rotating counterclockwise after each straw added. So here's my last straw when I've got it as big as I want it. Fold it down around all the straws on the right hand side, and then hanging onto that one. If you hang onto that one, it'll keep the rest from unraveling. Just take some white thread, tie it off in a knot, cut off the excess, and then cut off the excess of the straws as well. And then you'll just do that to all 4 of the legs of your cross. You have your nice little St. Brigid's cross, and it's double-sided.